Today we're unlocking a new AI tool that can create text to video and image to video animations. And you know the drill. Great idea, but don't have the right AI tools or the time to create a captivating animation? With the magic of PixVerse, you'll be able to create easy animations with basic text prompts. Let's dive in. Some of the main features of this AI tool consist of: you can upload an image and have control over the video generation, a variety of characters that you could reuse for other videos, and it's a free AI generator that you could use to promote your brand, your business, or if you're just creating content for fun, with the ability to download these visuals and put them on your social medias. Now let's dive into PixVerse AI. Link is in the description if you want to follow along. Okay, here we go. PixVerse AI. We can either join the Discord community to start creating text to video or image to video, or we can go to the web and get started on the web. Let's start with the Discord. I provided a link in the description for instructions on how to create a Discord account. It's free, or if you have a Discord account, you could just log right in. Before entering the Discord, you may have to go through a process or answer a couple questions. So for the sake of this video, I'll pick artist, YouTube, and for fun today. Okay, let's get started. Gonna hit that arrow for next. Okay, our next step is to create a video for the PixVerse Discord. So let's go ahead and create our first video. And to the left, they have a few channels where you could generate a variety of different visuals. They have the memes, anime, and 2 generate rooms. We're gonna go to the message section, do a / create. Then we're gonna select this create right here. Okay, we're gonna go with humanoid AI robot walks on Iceland. And there's gonna be sections you gotta fill out. So the next one, we're gonna hit tab and then go to style. So for style, we're gonna try 3D animation. Next, we're gonna hit tab again. Aspect ratio, let's go with 16:9. An aspect ratio will basically be the size you want the video to be. Let's hit tab again. Negative prompt, that's basically gonna be what you don't want the video to consist of. And character, we're gonna leave that blank for now. But as you can see, they have a list of characters that you can use and reuse for consistency. Okay, now we're gonna hit enter to generate this video. Okay, so it generated the video, but it didn't exactly do what I wanted. This is, as you can see, not an AI robot. So I'm gonna remix this and try another one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, and just to do it, let's see what they produced us on that last prompt, even though it wasn't what we wanted. Let's see. Okay, this is not a humanoid robot, but you know, definitely somebody walking. Okay, I like this effect, pretty cool. Okay, my boy moonwalking. Alright. And yeah, not much here, but the more creative you get with these prompts, the better result you'll get. So you know, get creative with these prompts, think outside the box, put your imagination in it. Alright, so I went ahead and created a new prompt. Birthday cake on fire, realistic style, aspect ratio 1:1, no character. But yeah, this looks a little bit more like what we asked for. So, you know, I would suggest playing around, seeing what the best options would be on this platform. Let's check some of these out. Cool. Wow, yeah, I like these animations here. Fire. Dope. So yeah, these are cool for what we bargained for, what we asked for. These are pretty cool. And later in the video, I'll be demonstrating how to add voiceovers to these creative animations. So keep watching. And before we get into the second half of this video, I want to introduce my AI content creation checklist. This quick start checklist is packed with tips, tricks, insights, ChatGPT prompts to help you elevate your content creation. It's a free tool that'll help you organize, streamline, automate, and kickstart your AI content creation journey. Click the link below to get your free AI content creation quick start checklist, a perfect resource to assist you with all your content creation. Okay, now let's get started on the web version. So you could sign up with Discord or you can log in with Google. It should then bring you to the popular videos page, which is a page dedicated to the community and what they've been creating there. So you can dive in and look at some of these. I'm really feeling this one. Very angelic combination of the colors, the blue and the gold, the effects. Looks very nice. So you can get ideas just looking at other people's visuals. So let's go ahead and generate a new video. Since we already did text to visual, we'll go ahead and try image to visual. So we're gonna first hit create, and as you can see here, they have the text option and the image option, so you could easily put a text prompt here and generate a visual, but we're gonna go with image. All right, so we're gonna upload an image. This file I got from the internet, free stock footage, I believe from Pixabay or Pexels.com. So we could go ahead and add a prompt or a command, moving unicorn. And let's see what it does. Let's hit create and wait a few minutes. All right, so it takes about a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to fully generate an image. I went ahead and generated 2 different videos. The reason is I wanted to play with the settings and see how that would change the dynamic of the video. So strength of motion, I put all the way up to 100 for the second picture, and seed is just a reference. So let's say you had created another picture before, you would take that seed and put it in here, and then it will reference that picture you took before. Okay, looks nice. Not as much motion as I would want for the unicorn, but this is the one where we had the motion settings down. So let's go back to the other one and see if that moves a little more. This one seems to have more motion, so you know when you put up the motion settings that you're bound to get more motion in the overall picture or visual. Lastly, let's get into the character section. PixVerse has already trained these characters to be used over and over again in the Discord. So first we're going to go ahead and create a regular prompt /create. So we're going to use playing basketball. Style. We'll go with 3D animation. Aspect ratio. Character. I'm not really familiar with these characters, but let's just pick one. Hit enter and let's see what it generates us. All right, our prompt has finished generating, so we're gonna check it out now. Quick tip though, if you don't want to get lost in all these generations from other people, just hit this button here, create thread, and you can go ahead and create a thread for all your generations, so it's much easier to find. All right, let's check these out. Okay. Looks like some weird basketball defense there. Interesting. Okay, magic trick. And more magic tricks. So I like these prompts. Mind you, these are free generations, and you could basically keep generating and generating until you find a perfect set of prompts or a perfect set of visuals you like. And finally, we're gonna get to create voiceovers for these AI animations. I'll be using CapCut, an all-purpose video editing software with a bunch of AI tools and features. So you can download this for free, or you can use it on the web version. Since I have the app already downloaded, I'm gonna go ahead and go into CapCut, start a new project. I'm gonna go ahead and import all my visuals. Then I drag the visuals I'll be using in this visual animation. Next, we're going to go to text and then enter some text into the visuals. So I added the text to the necessary sections. So we're going to go over here to the right and use the text to speech feature. So there's a couple of them on the Pro plan, but we can use the variety of free ones they do have. So for this animation, I'm going to go with Elfie. Let's see how that sounds.
Basketball wizard.
Alright, sounds like the person in the video, so let's go ahead and use it. Start reading. Okay, once we click start reading, you'll see another track at the bottom here which should have the voiceover of the text. Let's try it.
Basketball wizard.
Okay, and as you can see, it's working fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate voiceovers for all of these sections. So I decided to make mine a little more humorous, since we have the magician side of things where basketballs and arms are appearing out of nowhere. So let's call him a basketball wizard. I'm gonna go ahead and export this, and here's the product. Let's play it.
Basketball wizard.
10-time champion. The most valuable player.
A magician unlike any other. There is nothing in this world that can't be done. Get ready for the future.
Okay, so as you can see, I had some fun there adding different voices to the different sections. And this was just off the whiff, off the top freestyle kind of idea. So imagine putting your time and effort and really scripting out an animation. It could be very helpful for a vast amount of reasons. So don't sleep on this tool. So as you can see, creating AI powered voiceovers and animations have never been easier. The possibilities are limitless and the creative world is yours to explore. Imagine the stories you can tell, the content you can create, the impact you can have by making content. Now go ahead and like, subscribe, turn your notifications on for the next visual drop. And if you got some stories you're dying to animate, share your ideas below. I can't wait to see what you create.